In this video, I'll show you how you can install all the mods 9 mod pack in Minecraft. First, you want to head over to curseforge.com and press get the CurveForce app. Now, when you do this, you're gonna get a little download, and it's super simple. You just open up the download and it's gonna install itself. Now make sure you also have the Minecraft installed on your PC and logged into your account. Now after you open up CurseForge, this is what you'll see. On the left hand side you want to press add a game and then select Minecraft, or you can scan your PC if you cannot find it, or add it manually if you cannot find it. Then once you're on Minecraft, you want to head over to browse, search for ATM9, press enter, and it should be right here. Now simply press install, and then once it's done installing, you're gonna press play, and that's about it. When you press play, it's gonna open up all the mods 9, and you can simply play it from there. Now that's about it, guys. It's super simple and super easy. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.